If you are looking to retire early and don't know where to start, then you are at the right place. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. As you know, my focus is early retirement, and after doing research, I found that building digital assets online is the way to go. I've already started this journey by starting my YouTube channel. So let's dig into it further. Okay, first of all, guys, I want to say I apologize. Last week I did not upload any videos because I am really digging deep into starting my business and I need to reevaluate my videos. And I'm still working on that. I need to learn how to start batching my videos and so because I want to give better content. Okay, so I do apologize for that, but we are back on track. We are still working on our business, and it's okay that sometimes you might get sidetracked, but if you go back to where you are, like don't let it linger for too long. And I knew I was only going to let it last for a week. After that, I was going to start re-uploading, but I did change my schedule. I will no longer be uploading 3 times a week. I will only be uploading twice a week. Okay? So, the title today of what we're going to be talking about is digital marketing, aka digital real estate, right for you? Okay. I have touched on this at the beginning when I had decided to pivot what I was working on. And I also said make sure that you find a business model that would be conducive to the lifestyle that you choose. So here are a few questions that you need to ask yourself. Are you looking for a business to start with $0? Now, if you are tight on money, don't have much to invest, digital real estate is perfect, especially print on demand, low KDP. All these businesses, this is just to name a few, is where you can start with zero to little money. Um, but remember, before you get too excited, remember that eventually, once your business start going, you're going to have to invest down the line. No business is going to prosper or flourish to where you want it to be by using everything for free. You're going to have to invest. So just, get that in your mind that eventually you're going to have to invest money into your business. The next question is this business model right for you? Are you okay with not making money for at least 3 to 6 months with some of the digital real estate businesses? And basically, this is saying that are you willing to continue working solely without seeing any profit, um, and not give up? Because that's how these businesses go. Um, Especially when you're not investing anything, when you're working purely on organic traffic and you're not looking to pay for traffic and you're doing organic traffic, you're going to have to be patient. Don't give up. Don't be frustrated. Just keep your head down and keep working. Remember, you want to do a business and do something that you enjoy. The last thing you want to do is chase a dollar. Okay. I've wasted a lot of time chasing a dollar, and every time I start something, I didn't like it. So, basically, find something that you really like doing. Find that business model that's going to be conducive to your lifestyle, and make sure that you have the mindset that you are going to be working 3 to 6 months before you're able to see any results. Okay. The next question is now that was my next question. I forgot to change that. I am so sorry, guys. Please forgive me. Are you willing to do the research to see what is working for you? Okay. Are you willing to do the worst research? Depending on the field you go into, you want to do research to see what's selling, what's popular, and you want to get example. You want to look at other people's work and see, you know, why people are buying this design and things of that nature. Now, be sure that when you look at other people's work, you only want to look at that work for research purposes and to get ideas. You never want to copy someone else's work. Okay, and we'll talk about that as we get further into it. Okay, the next question is: are you willing to abide by copyright rules and terms of condition as well as trademark work? So again, like I just said before, you don't copy anyone else's work. especially license work for like sports teams, cartoons, sayings that are infamous quotes that were infamous for well-known authors and things of that nature. Don't dabble in that because you can do an entire store with beautiful designs or um, do an entire book with something on there like that, and you can get shut down. All your work can get shut down, and the money that you make can actually go to that person who owns those copyrights. So keep that in mind as well. You do not want to break those rules. The next question is, can you take criticism and be willing to improve over time? Sometimes, if you have a mentor or if you have someone standing over your shoulders, want to critique your work and they might say something about your work that, ooh, I wouldn't buy that or anything or something like that, or why are you doing that way? Um, Take the criticism and be willing to improve over time. But I will tell you this, only take that criticism from those who are at the level where you want to be. Do not take that criticism from someone who has never dabbled in any digital real estate, hasn't don't even know probably how to cut the computer on. Don't ever, don't ever that kind of criticism you don't need, because if they're not where you want to be at, then their opinion really doesn't matter. Okay? Next question is, can you produce original content as well as original designs for your business? Are you, let's say that you're a great writer. Are you a great writer where you don't have to go and copy someone else's blog and change a few things and tweak it here and there? You want to be able to write your own original pieces just as well as design. And my take on that is, if you're not a great writer or if you're not a great designer, you can hire that part of your business out. That's when it comes to investing money into your business. You will have to hire someone maybe to do that for you. And that's okay, because in any business, being an entrepreneur, you start out doing just about everything yourself. And sometimes there are some things that you're not that great at. And I feel like that is an asset to know what you're not good at. And if you know that you're not good at it, then you know that that's something you need to hire out, and that would keep you moving forward in your business instead of holding you back. Okay? The next question is, if you choose to do print on demand, do you have an eye for good design, or are you willing to pay someone to design it for you? And if you have no experience with graphic designs, just like I just touched on, there are so many places where you can buy graphics and pay for the licensings of it, like Creative Fabrica, Creative Market, just to name a few. You can also, like I say, hire your own personal graphic designer and have them do it for you. You can even hire your own personal writer and have them write things for maybe like your own ebook or a low content book. Okay. Okay, so guys, this is the last question, and this can really make or break your chances of being successful. Are you willing to work on your business 4 to 6 hours a week and be consistent in your business? Um, this is the big clicker here. This right here, if you cannot do this, and really, if you did not answer yes to all these questions, maybe digital real estate isn't the game for you. Okay. And I will tell you that with this question here, are you willing to work on your business 4 to 6 hours a week and be consistent in your business? If you definitely say no here, entrepreneurship is not for you. I would say you would do better in learning how to invest in maybe the stock market, um, forex trading, um, things of that nature, because if you're not willing to grind and put in the work, this kind of entrepreneurship for digital real estate is really not the business model for you. Okay, so like I said before, if you answer yes to these questions, then this business model is right for you. And it's good to ask these questions ahead of time before you dive deep into or buy too much stuff and realize that you really don't need or really don't like this business model. Remember, guys, you can start for little or nothing. If you have a phone and you want to do videos, you can take your pictures from there. You want to do a podcast, you can do your podcast from your phone. Um, you know, you can start a lot of things for little to no money. Okay, just keep that in mind as well. Okay, thank you guys so much again for stopping by to listen to the video and to see the video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you know someone who might be interested in this content, please share. So I'll see you next time and have a great day. Bye, guys.